What's up, y'all? I'm back at it, and today I'm back on M3, man. I'm disappointed, I'm sad, I'm hurt that my baby is hurt, and yeah, I want to fix her. So I went to the junkyard. I went and got a new front clip with grills, and I still gotta get this hood open, so I gotta pop off the front bumper, which I gotta pop off anyway to remove the front clip. So I'm about to do that right now. Pop off the front bumper, try to get the hood popped, take out the headlights, pop off the front clip, and then yeah, get it cracking. Replace the slave cylinder, replace the hood latch, and then yeah, try to take it out tonight and go dipping. Let's see how far I go, how far I get. See if I can round up a couple of the homies tonight, take these beamers out. Well, no, I gotta fix it first before I do that. So maybe tomorrow night. Tomorrow night's Sunday night, so Sunday night's cool for dipping, right? So yeah, I want to finish this car and then go dipping. See what I do. See how many of the homies come out and go dipping with me. See how many of y'all roll out with me tomorrow. I'm just gonna throw it out, and we'll go dipping and shit. So yeah, first thing first, front bumper and the front clip. So enough of me yip yapping. Let's get it. Now I got the hood up. You go inside and you screw that up. And the hood opens up. Terrible. I could have just did that the first time. But I had to deal with this and this. Whatever, we're here now. So I got that up. Now I'm gonna get something to hold it. Then I gotta take the headlights out so I can take the front clip out. Headlights, front clip, and the hood latch. Then I do the slave cylinder last. So headlights, remove those, then take out the front clip, replace that, and the hood latch. Alright, y'all, let's get it. Alright, now that I got the whole front clip off, you feel me? Now I want to change the latch. So what I'm going to do is just pull it off. So I took off his 4 bolts. And the problem was the other latch on this side came out, and that's why the hood wasn't latching. But I'm gonna change the whole cable. And the whole thing, I know I'm beating this to a shame. So I'm gonna put this. Gotta run the cable from outside, inside, and all that. So I'll be back. It's a black widow in the hood. Look at that dude just chilling. He's kicking it. He got his food. You know what I'm saying? Not in my hood. That was his story. And now he's his story. But yeah, man. That's a big ass black widow, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't do spiders. Gotta get away to get this wire through in the car and do all that, so let me figure that out. Good morning. Back at it, and before we hit another 207-degree day, I figured I start early and beat the heat, you feel me? So it's about 7 o'clock, you know what I'm saying? I've been out here since 6, you know what I'm saying, in the mix, you know what I'm saying? But I got a new front clip yesterday from the junkyard. Ended up getting that on. I just got to make a couple adjustments on this side, fix that side up, but I got that on. I got a new slave cylinder that I'm installing right now. Got to put some grease on it and then get up under here. Got a new creeper, you feel me? Appreciate the love, much appreciated. And I gotta finish putting this on. So that's right there, that's what the slave cylinder will hook up to. This is the hydraulic line to the slave cylinder, so I'm gonna hook the slave cylinder up to that, and then the slave cylinder goes up and through there. I'm gonna bring a light. So you can see that. I don't want to be killing my battery, so I didn't put it out, but yeah, man. Get it cracking like it. That's the light right there. So yeah, like you can see right there, that hole right there. So the slave cylinder goes in that hole. I gotta connect it right there to that. Bam. Then bleed the system. And I should be done. All right. So enough of me talking. Let's get it. So I've been fighting to get that slave cylinder up there. Finally got it up there, but I gotta finish bolting it down. That top bolt is crazy to get in. It's hard to get in. So you gotta like get it in, push it down with one hand, and then like still try to hold it up with the other hand while you wrestling with the other hand. And oh man. Space is so tight in there, it's like you throwing up gang signs while you trying to put the screws on, man. Shit crazy, man. But yeah, I'm gonna finish tightening that up. We'll see where we go from.